Apple cider vinegar is a popular health supplement that has been used for centuries to promote weight loss, improve digestion, and boost immunity. It is made by fermenting the sugar from apples and has a distinct sour taste. Studies have shown that consuming apple cider vinegar can help reduce body fat and improve metabolism. It can also help regulate blood sugar levels, reduce cholesterol levels, and promote healthy gut bacteria. In addition to these health benefits, it can also be used as a natural cleaning agent or as part of a salad dressing or marinade. With its many health benefits and versatile uses, apple cider vinegar is an excellent choice for those looking to lose weight or improve their overall health. One small study found that consuming apple cider vinegar with a meal led to increased feelings of fullness and reduced calorie intake throughout the day. Another study found that taking apple cider vinegar before bedtime helped to lower blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes, which could potentially lead to weight loss over time. It is believed to help with weight loss in several ways. Firstly, it contains acetic acid, which has been shown to reduce appetite and increase feelings of fullness, leading to reduced calorie intake. Secondly, it may help to increase the body's metabolic rate, leading to increased calorie burning. Additionally, it may help to regulate blood sugar levels, which can help to reduce cravings for sugary foods. Apple cider vinegar may also help to regulate blood sugar levels, which could be beneficial for weight loss. When blood sugar levels are stable, it can help to reduce cravings and prevent overeating. One study found that taking apple cider vinegar before meals helped to lower blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. Apple cider vinegar is also believed to improve digestion, which could aid in weight loss. By improving digestion, the body is better able to absorb nutrients and eliminate waste, which may contribute to better overall health and weight management. Some studies suggest that apple cider vinegar may help to increase fat burning and boost metabolism, which could contribute to weight loss. Remember, there's no magic bullet for weight loss. Be skeptical of any approach that claims you can lose weight without decreasing calories or increasing physical activity.